how to add shapes in Camtasia in 2022. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process. So now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So it's very easy to add shapes in Camtasia. Camtasia made this process very simple. That's why I use this editing program, this software, right? So now, here you need to add your video. Import your video is very simple. You can simply open a folder, guys. Here we have a folder and you drag your video right in the media bank. Right, so now wait couple of seconds and drag the video in the timeline. And now please go to annotations, and here we have callouts, arrows and shapes, and we have a lot of very useful shapes that you can use in your video. Please select all, and now here you can see more shapes. And now this is not very complicated. To add a shape to your video, to see on top of your video, to see a shape, you need to grab the shape that you want to use in your video, grab it and drag it over your video. Like this is track number 1, this is track number 2. You want the shape on top of your video so it's visible. One right now is not visible because it's not at the end, in the beginning, I'm sorry. If the shape is in the beginning, now as you can see the shape. The more anything, you can make this shape last as long as the video lasts. Okay, this video lasts 2 minutes and 47 seconds. So just tap on this minus and now make the shape to last as long as your video. And now you can add also transitions. You can add animations to your video, to your shape. So if you want to move the shape from here to here, just grab the custom, go to transitions, animations, I'm sorry, tab on more. If you don't see animations here, tab on more, and here you'll see animations. So now just grab custom and grab it, and you just need to grab this shape, guys, and put it on this grab this, not this shape, I'm sorry, grab this custom animation, grab this custom and drag it over this shape. Okay, now you'll see this arrow. You need to make this, you don't have to make this arrow, I'll tell you later. But now if you simply select this shape and you move, so you move now this shape from there to here, now you'll see that now you see something very interesting. Because let me mute this video, I'm sorry. If you want to mute a video, just tap on edit audio and drag this. You see this is the audio, so drag it right down. Drag it down, okay, so you don't see the lines anymore. And now here you see the cube moving. As you can see, the cube moved, right? You can grab another custom and now move the shape from here to here. And as you can see the shape moving. You can do a lot of stuff, but that's the these are the basics, guys. But please, if you have any questions, drop your question down below in the comment section, and I'll create a video. Okay, that will give you a solution, or that will answer your question. I'll create a tutorial if you have any questions related to this video, related to Camtasia. Okay, now thank you guys for watching this video. This is how to browse our YouTube channel, and see you in the next video.